step-by-step process to evaluate eigenvalues. So atong una bahaton is atong i-define ang matrix. Ano siya? Muna itong pinakaunang step. I-define na to ang matrix. Let A be an n times n square matrix. So, second step is set up the characteristic equation. So, ang characteristic equation, so, ang characteristic equation sa matrix X kay ani. Then data lambda I is equals to 0. So, muna siya ang characteristic equation sa matrix X. Ay matrix A where lambda kani mo siya muna ang lambda kani where lambda is a scalar the eigenvalue I is the matrix kani mo I muna itong matrix of the same size as A, and that denotes the determinant. So ang kaning det muna ko ang determinant. So next step is form the matrix A. A minus lambda I. Yeah. So itong button is subtract lambda times the identity matrix I from A. So, ano siya, I subtract lang ang lambda then times sa identity I from A. So, next step is calculate the determinant. Compute the determinant of the matrix A minus lambda I. So, sa atong fourth step is calculate the determinant. Compute the determinant of matrix A minus lambda I. Then, last step is solve the characteristic polynomial. The determinant will give you a polynomial in lambda. Solve this polynomial equation to find the eigenvalues. Ano siya? Will give you a polynomial in lambda. Solve this polynomial equation to find the eigenvalues. So, ano siya? Atong steps sa process to evaluate eigenvalues. Pinakauna is define the matrix. Sunod, set up the characteristic equation. The third is form the matrix A minus lambda I. Then kaupat is calculate the determinant. And last is solve the characteristic polynomial. So muna siya aron makuha siya ang ma-evaluate ang eigenvalues.